In this video, we're going to be changing it up a little bit. We're going to be taking teeth that are inward and moving them outward, whereas in previous videos, I've taken teeth that were outward and moved them inward. So let's go. Hey guys, this is Dr. Robert Passamano. I'm a board certified orthodontist. Today we're going to be talking about this specific case where we increased the flaring about 20 degrees for this patient with 3D custom braces. You can see on the left photo, the teeth are inward or retroclined. On the right photo, the teeth are upright. Let's dive a little more deeper. This patient presented with previous premolar extraction, resulting in the inward tipping or retroclination of the upper incisors. Also a deep bite. A deep bite is when there's too much vertical overlap of the teeth. So when this patient had the previous premolar extraction, the front teeth were tipped inward when they were doing closing mechanics. To avoid that, you would increase the torque to reverse that issue. It didn't happen for this patient. And unfortunately, she has inward tipping of teeth, and also the vertical overlap is too far deep. And so our goal here is to reverse that, to add the torque, reverse it so you can see more teeth when she smiles. Just as a reference, in my previous videos, I've showed you guys reducing flaring with Invisalign. Usually we can do about 8 to 10 degrees of reduction with IPR. You can see that in this case. Another case right over here, this is 8 degrees change with Invisalign. This one's 10 degrees change with Invisalign and IPR. And then sometimes you could do it the opposite with Invisalign. So this is a case I did with Invisalign and increasing the flare. And you can see on the right side photo that we flared the teeth forward. This took about 20 months to do, and that's about an 8-degree change. But this video is about doing a 20-degree change, and that usually means braces. Let's take a look at the before and after photos. You can see on the left side, the teeth are inward. You don't see as many teeth. The angulation's not as good. On the right side, proper angulation. You can see more teeth. It's a more vibrant smile. I like that a lot more. Looking at the teeth photos here, you can see that the deep bite is corrected on the left side. You can see that we're seeing a lot more of these lower teeth. And then on the right photo over here, you can see that the increased angulation of about 20 degrees. And then you can see the before and after smiles over here. So the question is, how do I know how much to flare the teeth? And so we're going to look at the x-ray for this one. That's this x-ray. And you can see that the yellow number right here says 84. And when I plug it into our analysis, you'll see that the mean is usually 104 or 105. And so the teeth are too far in, about 21 degrees. So my goal is when we program it with the 3D braces, we're going to program 21 degrees of increase of flaring so that way we can get an awesome smile. So let's take a look at the digital simulation. This is the 3D braces simulation. You can see the deep bite is being corrected on the right side. From the side view, you can see an increase of 21 degrees of torque on those front two teeth. I know it's 21 degrees because the previous slide we looked at the x-ray, so we know exactly what we need to do. This can only be done with the 3D custom braces. This can't be done with regular analog braces because analog braces, you cannot program the teeth for specific movements. It only does an average, and then the orthodontist has to do those manual adjustments. So with these 3D custom braces, we can actually tell the braces to increase the torque 20 degrees in this case, and then 22 degrees on the left one. So this is the best braces you could possibly get, and it's the 3D custom ones. And so this is the ones we offer in our office. Let's do a quick recap. This patient presented with inward angulating teeth, as well as a deep bite. This all resulted from poor mechanics when the previous orthodontic treatment was done. That was also done with extraction of teeth. My goal was to reverse that and re-angulate the teeth, correct the deep bite. We did that with 3D custom braces. We got a great result, as you can see. This patient is thrilled. She has a great smile now. She can see the bottom teeth. This is exactly what we'd want it to look like. This is what I'd want it to look like the first time. So this patient didn't have to do 2 rounds of braces, but unfortunately that happened in this case. But anyway, she's got a great smile now, and she's extremely happy. Thank you guys for watching the increased flaring video. Previous videos I've done decreased flaring, so this is a different concept. This one was done with 3D digital braces. If you guys like this video, don't forget to check out my other videos on custom braces. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.